Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about Crypto.com. That's right, Cronos coin. And I'm going to be giving you guys a wild and outlandish price prediction. One, though, that I do have some math to back up. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I believe that a $30 CRO could be possible if the following happens. I'm going to show you guys exactly the math, how I got to this preposterous number of $30. I've done a video showing you guys $5, which honestly is pretty conservative in my opinion, but I'm going to show you how we get to 30 from here. So stay tuned to the end of the video. We're going to go through all that and more in today's Crypto Report. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't done so already, smash your like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want some free money and you're trying to open up a trade right now on Bitcoin or Ethereum, or any crypto really, you can go over to Femex and you can sign up now using our referral code down below in the link. When you do that, you get up to $4,100 for a free trade. So check that out here. But let's take a peek here at the crypto markets for the day. So we are currently peaking at CoinMarketCap, and crypto is still at a sturdy $1.15 trillion, and Ethereum dominance still climbing at 23.3%, Bitcoin dominance at 40%. So that's pretty fantastic. Ethereum still trending number one, which is great to see. Just under 2K and about a 24.5K Bitcoin, so that's good. And then you're looking at some of these exchange tokens, 15-cent CRO, $30 FTX. We've just been kind of trading flat, but of course, shout out to Shiba Inu, which today was up 30-something% today. So absolutely spectacular. Over the last hour, it's down 2%, but today had a great pump. But let's take a peek at how CRO and Cronos gets to $30. What kind of wicked math is that? Well, I'm going to take you guys through it right now. So in order to do that, I'm going to compare us against Binance real quick once again. So what I'm going to show you right now is I'm going to peek at the market cap of Binance, and I want to lay this out for you guys fully. So when you look at Binance and you look at its previous history, what I want to look at today is where did Binance go from its previous high back in the previous bull run, which actually had a spike up very interesting kind of after the bull market in 2018. I'm just going to call this 2019 high the high, when technically it's this, so this could give you a bigger price, but for this video's purposes, let's call it $5.5 billion Binance market cap. So BNB token had a $5.5 billion market cap at the peak of the last cycle prior to the most recent one we had. When you expand that out and we take a peek here at what the most recent high was in 2021, you got up to $110 billion. So when you take $110 billion and you divide that by 5.5 billion, you get 20. Okay, and what does that number mean? What does 20 mean? Well, 20 is 20 times $110 billion is 20 times bigger than $5.5 billion. So what I'm saying is in the previous peak of $5.5 billion market cap, Binance went up 20x for the next bull cycle from its previous market cap high. So what will it do in the next bull cycle? Well, will it 20x? Let's just say it does, hypothetically. If BNB were to 20x from a $110 billion market cap, you would then be looking, unbelievable, at a $2.2 trillion market cap for Binance token. And as I said in a recent video, I think and I believe that Cronos coin is about half as good as Binance coin, at least. And we can use metrics to look at the user growth there. We can look at the advertising that they have going on globally. Cronos has a lot more sponsorships than BNB right now. BNB is the largest exchange. Binance has the biggest exchange at about 90 million users versus Cronos is 50 million users, but Cronos has bigger growth. So at a $2 $0.2 trillion market cap for Binance in the next bull run. Again, if we get a 20x from this high, which is very, very bullish. Let's just say Crypto.com is half as good. Let's just call it a $1 trillion market cap for Crypto.com. If you have a $1 trillion market cap for Crypto.com, you are talking about very, very, very large gains. You would basically take, $1 trillion and you would have to divide it by 5.5 billion. And how many times does that go into it? Well, the answer is 181 times, which is unbelievable. So what am I saying? If Binance Coin goes to a $2.2 trillion market cap and does a 20x from its previous all-time high, and Crypto.com goes to at least half the value of Binance, you're going to get 180 something x from this price point on Cronos coin. Because again, right now, Cronos is at a it's at a $3.8 billion market cap. So actually, I said 5.5 billion. That wasn't correct. So it's actually more than that. It's about a 200x on your money. If BNB goes to 2.2 trillion, Cronos goes to $1 trillion, you're looking at a almost 200x on your money from there. And that will get you to a $30 Cronos token. So that's possible, but is that really likely? Let's see. If it's a 200x on 15 cents right now, 200 times 15 cents, yeah, you'd be looking at that. That would be a 30x on the money. Realistically, I do believe that Binance will blow past its previous all-time high at 110 billion. I don't think that it's going to go to $2.2 trillion for a market cap next time. I think diminishing returns are a thing. So I think there's a strong chance that you could see Binance really go to maybe about $1 trillion. I think it's possible. A 20x from the previous high would be a little much here. I think as growth kind of gets bigger in the market, it's harder to move these high prices. So, I think $1 trillion Binance coin could be realistic. I think in that point, a $500 billion CRO could be realistic. And if you get a $500 billion CRO coin from here, well then, you just take 500 and you would divide it by, we're at 3.8 billion right now for Crypto.com. You'd still get 131x on your money. And so from a price point of right now, you'd get to about a $20, it's a $19.7 CRO. Guys, not only is $5 CRO possible, I think it's likely. Probably in the next bull run. Very, very bullish. But is $10 CRO possible? Is a $20, $15, $30 Crypto.com coin possible? Based on that math and previous performance for some of these market caps on Binance, the largest exchange token, Crypto.com and FTX are following suit. I think that it's not only possible, but I think that at some point it's extremely likely. It's a matter of when. Is $30 CRO going to happen in the next bull cycle? I don't think so, but I certainly think that one day it's possible. And I do believe that we will see a $5 CRO, Cronos, Crypto.com coin. And we might even see a $10 one. Let me know what you guys think in the chat comments down below. I wanted to bring that math to you guys here today because I'd love to see a $30 CRO, and it's kind of starting to make sense when I look at some of these numbers. All right, guys, that's all I got today. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.